This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Bob McGinnis. 1.5 story with some nice updates to include newer oak kitchen with lots of cabinet and counter space, newer windows, updated wiring and vinyl siding. 1 bedroom, 1 bath, main floor laundry, 1 stall garage. HUD home. Sold as is by elec. Bid only. Prop avail August 13, 2020. Bids due by August 22, 2020, 11:59 p.m. Central Time, then daily until sold. FHA case number 161 to 352,682. Insured West Escrow RPR. Eligible for FHA 203K. For prop conditions, forms, Tiscal and AMP, avail, please visit www.hudhomestore.com. For additional forms, updates, step-by-step videos and AMP, free photo list, please visit www.bobresources.com. BLB Resources makes no warranty as to condition of property. Buyer to verify all info. For more information.